The Meghalaya Legislative Assembly will hold its 10-day budget session from the 28th of February to the 13th of March 2025, with 3 days allotted for private members' business and 7 for government discussions, as per the schedule set by the Business Advisory Committee. The committee meeting held on Thursday was attended by Deputy Chief Minister and Parliamentary Affairs Minister Prestun Tinsong, Leader of the Opposition Mukul Sangma, Trinamool Congress State President Charles Pingrob, Government Advisor Lakmin Rimboy and other officials. Following the meeting, Assembly Speaker Thomas Sangma stated that the session would have 10 full working days with specific time allocated for both private members and government business. When asked whether 3 days were sufficient for private members' discussions, he reportedly affirmed that the time was adequate, explaining that since it was a budget session, 3 days would be focused on the budget, while 2 days would be reserved for the governor's address. Regarding concerns about limited discussion time, he assured that members would have enough opportunities to participate and mentioned that if necessary, the session could be extended, including on a Friday.
To have decided on the calendar for the ensuing budget session 2025, which will commence from 28th of February 2025, and we will be having 10 full working days, which will conclude on the 13th of March 2025, where we will have 3 private members business and the rest 7 government business days, working days. So this is in the calendar for the ensuing budget session.
There are concerns that only the private members will it be able to do justice?
Yes, of course. Why not? I think 3 private members, 3 days for private members business. I think it's good enough. Where we have, 10. Where we are having 10 working days, because this is a budget session. We will have be discussing about the budget full 3 days, and also discussion on the governor's address full 2 days. Budget will be presented on 5th of March 2025. I think there should be enough time for everybody. And we have also decided that in case there is a shortage of time, we will be happy to extend the time even on Friday also.